In this demo, we highlight how HexaSync syncs product data from Dynamics Fando to Haravan by creating a new item. Firstly, go to the Haravan system to check if the item, Samsung 20, is available. Search the product name, and you can see, the Samsung 20 item hasn't been here. Now, we will create a new item named, Samsung 20, in the Dynamics 365 Fando system. After logging into the Dynamics 365 Fando system, go to the released product modules and create a new product by clicking on the Add button. Let's fill in the necessary item information. Click OK. Next, we have to add the item description. Let's save it. Go back to the product details. You can see, we've created the new item Samsung 20. Now, let's check the data on the HexaSync integration platform. On the screen, you can see various profiles that HexaSync serves for different integration demands. Choose the Haravan and Microsoft Dynamics Fando profile to check the integration processes. After that, you will see different integration tasks. Now let's monitor the product data on the products task. Enter the product number. You can see, the new item has been successfully pulled to the HexaSync platform. Once the destination ID is a number sequence, we can make sure that the new item data is successfully pushed to the Haravan system. Next, go to the Haravan and check the updated information. Let's refresh the website. As you can see, the Samsung 20 item is successfully synced from Dynamics 365 Fando to Haravan with the right information in real time. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. And please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Be Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes.